One broken iPhone, replacement glass and digitizer, prying clip, screwdriver, obviously guitar pick, a suction cup, and some adhesive. Okay, I've successfully removed the broken screen with a suction cup after pulling the bottom two screws and the SIM card. Okay, and I've separated the LCD screen from the digitizer and broken glass using a flathead screwdriver, prying at the edge, and came apart no trouble. Okay, I've got the broken glass all picked out, and the old broken digitizer is separated from the mid-frame. The mid-frame is all cleaned off. I'm ready to install the new double-sided adhesive and put my new piece of glass in the frame. Okay, I've got my new digitizer and glass installed in the frame. Really not a problem at all. Okay, now I have my LCD back in the digitizer and the frame. This is all ready to go back together. It's basically just hook up 3 ribbon cables. Okay, got the phone rebooting. Everything's bolted back together. 2 screws in the bottom, SIM card back in. Let's see what happens. And it appears we have one good working iPhone. And now I'm getting all the messages and emails that I've missed in the last few days while the phone has been broken. Actually, not that hard.